morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name is Harmandeep Kaur.
Where from you belong to?
I'm from Rattakara. It is a small town which falls in district Sangrur.
Okay. Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Harmandeep Kaur and I'm from Rattakara. It is a small town which falls in district Sangrur. Recently, I have completed my graduation at Guru Tegh Bahadur College in Monak. And if I talk about my hobbies are I like to listen to music in my free time, and sometimes I like to read novels and some storybooks. And apart from this, the aim of my life, I want to become a fashion designer.
Okay. Good. Next question is, do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yes, definitely, ma'am. I enjoy my current stage of my life. I am a student and I have I am complete my graduation, and I enjoy my current age because now I have free from all worries and tensions, because there is no worry about buying something for my parents and for my siblings, because I am free from financial problems. That's why I enjoy my life.
Okay. Which stage of your life do you think is the most important?
According to me, all stages are very important, but according to my perspective, early childhood is very important and very happiest. But there is also one stage which is a very important. This is a age of from 18 to 18 above, because in this age, children can capable for take responsibilities, and they are able to tackle with handle situations, and they are also free from some difficult problems such as financial problems. But this is very important for them, because in this stage they take some responsibilities about their self.
Okay. What's your plan for your next stage of life?
I have a plan to go abroad for my higher education, and I have a plan to getting a good job for earn some money for my parents, and I want to become a good person for my parents. So this is my plan.
Okay. Now the part 1 is over.
Okay.
Now the part 2, and I'm going to give you a cue card. Just this one.
Music is a very important for me, and whenever I feel stressed and tired that time, I like to listen to music, because whenever I listen music, I feel comfortable and relaxed. And in my country, there are various kind of singers, but my most favorite singer is Tarseem Jassar. He's a Punjabi singer, and he also known as a director, producer, and writer, as well as an actor. He won a lot of awards during his journey, and the most important thing about him is that he start his journey as a writer, because singing is not his passion, and he have a lot of interest in writing. Mostly he writes a poetry and songs. I like his songs because his songs related to past culture and tradition, and he faced lot of obstacles during his teenage. And all in all, this is the person which I like most, and the most important thing about him is that he is a very industrious, and he do lot of hard work for achieve his goals, and he is a very cooperative and helpful person. He always helps needy people in their difficult situations, as well as he is a very he's a very good personality. And all in all, this is a person which I like most, and my favorite, and this is the person who is my favorite singer.
Do singers play an important role in your country?
Yes, definitely, ma'am. Singers play important role in my country. According to me, singers are a backbone of music industry, and they launch many songs, and sometimes they launch many poetries related to past culture and Western culture.
Okay. Do you think celebrities have lot of income?
Well, according to me, celebrities have a lot of income because they make so many concerts in their life, and they earn a high amount of money from their concerts. So that's why they earn so many income from this field.
Okay. In your country, people prefer to listen to traditional music or foreign music?
Well, both traditional music as well as the foreign music are very important in my country, and people prefer both. According to me, all people prefer traditional music because it is related to their past culture, and the young ones like to listen to music which is related to foreign culture, such as Western music. They gain a lot of knowledge about this music. The main thing is they gain a lot of new words from this music, and it is very helpful for their studies.
Okay, that's all, Herman.
Okay.